To get Perl working on Windows, I went to win32.perl.org and I downloaded strawberryperl, which is a Perl for Windows. The only difficult part of the download is doing these two things after the Perl is installed. And you have to go to the directory where Perl was installed, which by default is /strawberry. And you have to run these two commands in a DOS window. So you just go to DOS, start, command prompt, start, command prompt. And you'd run those two commands after cding to /strawberry if that's where you defaulted. Then you reboot, and at that point you're all set to start using strawberryperl. So, to start with, I want to create a file, and I've already cut and pasted the Perl program, and here it is. And I'm going to do a file, a save as. I'm going to tell it to save as all files so that I can call it wiz.pl. And I'm going to leave it as ANSI. And I had already done that once, so it asked me to replace it, but there it is. So now I've got that saved, and I saved it on my desktop. So here at a command prompt, again, start command prompt, I'm going to cd to my desktop, and here is that wiz.pl file that I created, and to run it I'm simply going to do perl wiz.pl. But my wiz.pl requires an argument, and what is that argument? Well, it's the file from Wizzly. So I'm going to go to Wizzly, and I'm going to log in and give it my password. There's my accounts page. And if here, since it's Internet Explorer, I'm going to right click and do a save as, and I'm going to make it easy, call it my pages, and I'm going to make sure there's no space in there just to make it easy for me. And I'm going to say web page, HTML only, save, and I've already done that once, but here it is. And now I can say Perl, wiz.pl, mypages.htm, and there it is. There's a list of the files that I want, and we can then pick those up by marking them, copy, and now I can put them wherever I want. Edit and paste. And I'll get rid of that top one up there because I cut and pasted too much. But there's my list of files suitable for pasting in anywhere I want.